Siya, paikot-ikot. Come on. Oh, ayan na. Live na tayo!
Live. Hello.
Hello. We are live. Isisend ko muna yung yung link natin. Oh, no, hindi pa. Itatanong ko muna dito. Good afternoon, everyone. It's 1:01 p.m. po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. It's Tita again. Aking live. And ito yung this is my second episode. The last week was Coach Mary Ann, and then this week I invited Ate Beth and Kuya Med. Sila naman yung mag-share sa atin kung ano yung journey nila dito sa business. So, kumbaga ang ginagawa ko lang dito is talagang hina-highlight ko lang yung different parang ipakita lang natin sa mga tao na naghahanap ng negosyo, side hustle na at any stage of our life ay pwede nating baguhin ang sitwasyon natin. So kumbaga, yun ang aking goal. Kaya ang ini-invite ko dito sa live ko is different demographic, different field of expertise or kung saan man tayo nag-work. Yun ang aking goal talaga. So, Ate Beth and Kuya Med are retired. Ate Beth is a retired nurse and Kuya Med is a retired engineer. And of course, they will tell us more kasi introduce muna nila ang sarili nila before ang ating interview. So, thank you to everyone. I-share ko muna ito sa ating parang na-live na tayo, ate.
Oh, live na.
Yeah, live na tayo. Okay, ayan.
Share din namin.
Ate Beth, and Kuya Med, please introduce yourself.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. I am Med. Oh, I am Beth. Isan pa lang mali na.
Okay lang.
Overwhelmed kasi siya. Okay, go ahead.
Mag-switch kayo.
I am Med Tumidal. This is Med Tumidal. We are retirees, but retired, and we are immigrants from the Philippines, and we've been living here in Henderson, Nevada since 2004. We have 5 grown-up children now. Grown-up, so empty nesters kami, though our son is living with us. And 1 dog na lang kasi namatay yung isang dog namin. Aww. So we've been here in the US for like more than 20 years. We've been retired for ako is 2021 of December, so almost 5 years na sa December.
Wow.
And then, yun.
Wow.
And we're enjoying our retirement.
Yeah, that's true. We are retirees. He just retired, no, but we are refired. No.
I love it.
Yeah, that's it. So, yeah, as Beth mentioned, you are professional, and of course, we have to enjoy the life because as retirees, she's a nurse, and I'm also engineer. I'm also a BSN. Sa Bisaya, mga Bisaya maka-intindi dito. BSN means bana sa nurse. Inasawa sa nurse.
Bana sa nurse?
Natawa tuloy si Coach Mary Ann. Sige na, go ahead. Thank you, Ted, for inviting us. What a privilege to be with you in this Tita Vargas Talk Show. Yung pinag-usapan natin mga fans. Million of fans kayo. Maano na kanina, tumatawag na sa aking director. Kailan ba yung ninyo? Ngayon, Tita Vargas Talk Show, hinahanap nila. Okay, go ahead, Ted.
Yes, talagang tawag ng thank you Kuya. It's my pleasure talaga na salamat na pinaunlakan niyo ako. Oh, parang ang lalim ng Tagalog na yun.
Parang Bisaya na nagtagalog.
Oh, parang Bisaya na nagtagalog. Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. But yes, so basically as I have mentioned earlier, parang yung goal natin dito is ipapakita lang natin doon sa mga tao na naghahanap ng side hustle at any point of our lives talaga pwede nating baguhin ang sitwasyon natin. So, as retired engineer and nurse, Kuya Ate, are we ready for our first question of the day?
Right?
Okay, let's go for it. Ayan, ang ating first question. So, as retired nurse and engineer, why were you looking for another stream of income?
Ikaw
Wow.
muna.
Thank you, Tate. Well, mabang story ito, but I want to make it short, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you know that many people think that retirement is a time to slow down or time to stop. Yes, it's true. You have to slow down physically because we own the time. We have now the time freedom that we don't have when we're still working. But for us, you know, it is retirement is the beginning of a new chapter of our
Whoa.
life, which is a very exciting chapter because this is a time that we need to enjoy the life, the comfort that we deserve as retirees because you have now the time freedom, as said, and you don't have while still you're working. But you know, Tita, no, because when you retire, you only depends on the pension. For us, we are only dependent on monthly pension that Uncle Sam is giving us, and it's not enough. So we're thinking that the pension I mentioned is enough to sustain our needs, to enjoy the life that we deserve, like to travel the places that we planned before, we dreamed before when we're still working. So that's one of our plan. No? And of course, as you know, Filipino, we are family-loving people. We love to help our immediate family back home. And of course, you know, as Christian, who is part of our tithing, we need also to help our local church to the reconstruction of our local church back home. So these are our three big whys that encourage us to find something to supplement our income. You know what? Our plan was to let Beth, you know, my wife here, to go back to a nursing job or the working force. But you know what? We realized that's the reason why she retired earlier than me because of health issues. Because I want her to work as maybe a part-time job as a nursing home health, home health nurse. So for us, parang hindi natuloy yan. So or me, because I'm still healthy, I'm still young, so I can go back also to working force to work again, or maybe have a part-time, maybe a departments to Walmart as greeters or crossing guard, you know.
Yeah,
But you know what, Tita? I only work more than half of my life, and I think that's right. Though I have to enjoy this payoff time as retirees, you know. So
Yes,
we have to enjoy. Yun ang aming goal. So we need to find something or another stream of income that can supplement our fixed income without sacrificing ang comfort. Yun ang nakakano sa amin. So I don't know ano ma-add mo.
In addition to that, kasi nga, I was the one handling yung money matters namin since we retired. So,
siya ang tagabilang ng pera namin.
tagabilang ng pera kung sakto pa ba o hindi na.
yes. Yeah.
So yun. So I have to do the means and to make our time also productive and fruitful. Alam nga namang, yes, we are retired. We want to travel just like he mentioned. Pero where are we going to get the money for us to travel? Because that's our plan talaga. Yeah, we have all the time. We can travel longer and everywhere. Pero kulang ang means. So that's the time na, you know, we always do scrolling, browsing, di ba?
Yes, yeah.
And then I just happened to see a posting of my former student who became my mentor. Yeah. I didn't see any ad. Hindi ko alam itong digital business na to. Is primarily nga to supplement our income. Kasi, syempre, may loans pa, may mortgage pa, may bills pa. Ang bills
Yes.
hindi yan humihinto, di ba? May ang
Dumadagdag.
bills, mga kuryente, gas. Every
Mm.
month, iba ang ano. It's not a fixed amount.
Yes.
So, meron kumisan kulang, meron kumisan sobra. Ang matitira na lang sa pension namin, probably an extra 100 or 200. Saan kami makakarating noon? Konti lang
Exactly.
naman yung savings. That's why, to sa mga nagtatrabaho pa dyan, mag-ipon na. Make sure that you have enough savings for your retirement because we experience it now. So that's the
Yeah.
reason why we look for something. Nung makita ko nga yung posting ng mentor ko, so I started to ask. Although I think I remember she already like offered it to me a year before we joined. But I
Okay.
ignored it. I ignored it kasi sabi ko, ano naman to? Alam mo naman, we always think na pag sinabing online, it's a scam. Something na ang target is us, retirees. Di ba? Retirees, marami yung pera, maraming ano. Naakala siguro, ulyanin na, hindi na makakasink. So, yun yun. So, yun ang ano ko, sabi ko no. And then, nawala yung posting niya. So, tapos bumalik, dumating na naman. Nagta-travel siya. Andun siya sa sa Paris. Sabi ko, wow, gusto ko dun. Gusto ko karating din doon. So I asked her again. Ako na nagtanong. Hindi na siya nagtanong.
Yes.
Ano ba talaga yung ginagawa mo? So that's the start. Curiosity turned into like parang yung naging motivated ka, naging inspired ka. So I was really the one. Takot pa ako. I really like did not tell him agad kasi sabi ko kung may mangyari, ako lang 'yon. Hindi siya involved.
Okay, yeah.
So sa excited ko, sa being motivated ko, sabi ko, I have to tell him. Bahala na. So I told him when I was on the first step, when I already paid the fee, sabi ko, anyway, it's refundable naman. So, ginanong ko lang siya, sige na. Tingnan mo lang po because I know you're going to love this. We already have this.
Yeah.
Before. Ewan ko, kung tinignan nga ba niya, hindi ko alam. Pero alam mo naman siya, Canadian nga siya, kasi sige na, basahin mo na dyan. So, kaya yun. Sumunod
Sige na, mag-agree ka na dyan.
Agree ka na dito, agree ka na dyan. So, yun nangyari. And the rest is history kasi.
Awesome. Topic that. But anyway, singit ko lang. Yes, that's the secret of happy marriage. No? You all say yes to your wife. Kaya I cannot say no to her. Since time na kinasal kami, I always say yes to her. Kaya sabi niya, ganitong business mo, okay, we join this business. Kasi yes, but a small yes. Pag sabihin niyang, hey Med, maglukaan ka na lang diyan, matulog ka na lang diyan, manood ka ng TV, ako na lang magluto ko, yes.
The reason why I want to involve him, although nawala na siguro sa topic, I want to involve him kasi andyan lang siya sa couch.
Yeah.
Nanonood ng TV, scroll ng ano.
Ayan.
Are you earning?
Oh
I didn't have that idea pa kung mag-earn ka nga ba kung nag-i-scroll ka. So sabi ko, something that he will make him productive.
Yes.
Use of the time wisely. So yun ang nasa isip ko lang. I didn't know anything about yung business na yan. Sugod lang ako kasi ako yung risk taker. Sugod lang ako. Bakit hindi po subukan kung ano naman? Pero wala. Ewan ko. Basta ganun lang.
Actually, I realized that that's the reality. Kasi it's really hard to budget a fixed income. You know, ating expenses is variable yun. Yan, no? Especially may bisita tayo. Ang ating income is only fixed. The monthly what is Uncle Sam is giving us, and it's not enough because we only work for few years here in the US. 16 years.
We are already in our 40s.
Pension is depends on the number of years contributed. So mahirap talaga. So sabi ko nga, araw-araw yun, nagbibilang yan ng pera namin. Sabi, arahin pa ko kung Med, subo na yung gastos mo ngayon. Kung ano bang
wala na sa budget.
So that's the reality talaga na ano sa akin. Yes. Yun talaga. That's the reason why we need to look for extreme income without sacrificing our comfort. So that's
Yeah.
why this is an answered prayer that
Mhm.
this business came. So yun ang ano sa amin talaga, nakamotivate. So the rest history. Ibang topic na ulit tayo ng iba pang interview. Go ahead, Ted. Thank you very much for that very nice question.
Thank you, thank you.
Tama ko yung ating kuwan.
I was gonna say, like, maybe maging uncomfortable kayo. But the reason I asked this, because I have been talking to people, and sasabihin nila, ay, kasi ako ganito, okay na ako kasi kumikita naman ako ng malaki. You know what I mean? And to think that you guys are like you're professionals, like you're high pay, you paid more than I do, I'm for sure, nurse and engineer. So to think about that, it's like, okay, so my goal was like, come on, people, wake up, because right now, like, nothing is going down, everything is going higher. No matter how much you earn now, if you're not gonna save, really wise, be smart in anything that you're gonna do from now on, then retirement comes and you're gonna be like, I wish I did this, I wish I did that, right? So so thank you for answering that, but we're not done yet. Well, I think we have viewers here. We're gonna read comments first. Coach Mary Anna's.
Si Coach Marian. Coach Marian, kumusta?
Ayan. Hello. Thank you, Coach, for tuning in. Ayan, Sis Emmy. Hello, Sisita.
Hello.
Watching from Chicago. Woo! Wow, we're everywhere. And here's Sis Maricar. Hello, watching from Embin, Canada. Ooh, inspiring couple. Sis Coach Marian. Yes, agree. Oh my God.
Siyempre, inspired din tayo sa coach. Inspired tayo.
Thank you. And okay, so that will bring us to our second one. Are we ready?
Yes.
Magaling magawa eh.
Ayan. Ito ay talagang super ako dito kasi ang dami-daming nagsasabi sa akin ng ganito, right? I'm not good in technology, blah, blah, blah. And like, to think that some people are even younger, right? Because like mentality is that kung sino yung medyo may edad na hindi marunong sa computer. Nung nag-college ako, walang computer. Pero bakit ako natuto, right? Yeah. So as a golden ager, what challenged you most when it comes to social media?
Okay.
Ikaw una.
Ito yung isa sa
Yan, Pedro, kasi we were born without computers pa noon. Kaya we are not tech savvy. Pero sa akin, tech savvy is as long as you know how to turn on, turn off your computer, you're already tech savvy. Anyway,
I love it.
as golden ages, looking for the question, no? As golden ages, one of the biggest challenge I would say with the social media is keeping up with how fast it changes. Ang bilis talaga ng ating crazy ating social
Super.
media.
Yeah.
Platforms are always updating. Iba-iba naman. Kahit sa ating Facebook, ako naiya mo to. Ano na ba ito? Bukas iba na naman. Ang dami-dami kong mga complaints. I mean, it's part of change. But yeah, talaga. Kasi nag-i-evolve yan. The new features, now new trends, new ways of communicating. Like now we have this AI. Artificial intelligence. When I heard this, I said to myself, I can do that, or I follow it, but in my own way. Sabi ko, that's why I don't call it artificial intelligence. Sabi ko, akin ito. Amin ito. Kasi nalilito na ko, kami naman. It's very, very nice tool, Yeah. Basta you have to follow it talaga. Kaya we have to be resourceful. Kaya sabi ko, ginawa ko lang ito na for entertainment. That I learn and wow, it's easy talaga. Kung bagay, kung bagay serious ka lang, no? And really, it's feel overwhelming, Sabi ko. So, like any journey that we have, we face a lot of several challenges. As I said, in social media and the digital business, especially because we started in our golden ages as retirees, with very limited experience in the online world, no? Kasi as I said, we're not we're baby boomers, we're not millennials, not kasi I don't know, sa pag-college ko, computers are for your eyes only. Yung mga DOS pa, mga command doon. Alam mo naman, we started with Windows 95. Yung DOS pa talaga na yung Windows 95 doon. Yun. Ang aming mga wala pa doon calculator namin doon.
Wala
Yung,
pang Facebook din.
sa engineering, yung slide rule. Diba?
Yeah.
May examine kami. Slide rule. O slide left. Din sa ang kabilang tanaw ng slide right.
Oh my God.
Pero na-calculator, pero nabutan pa ng slide rule. I don't know for these people here watching, meron pa ba yung slide rule? Slide left, slide right. Okay.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Another challenge, the technology. Of course, the technology is also very overwhelming. At first, the simple things like the navigating apps, tools, and on online platforms. Talaga, ang hirap talaga. I mean, it's very overwhelming. Felt overwhelming. There are moments and confusion nga na even we are hard to push and try again. So sabi ko, talagang is very nahirapan pero it's very challenging, no? Kasi as I said, we're not born on this kind of technology that we have now, especially the communication. Communication is very, very mahirap nun sa atin pa noon. It's like now that we have this messenger that wala na tayong long distance call. Yun ang nagpatay ng PLDT ng mga ano sa atin. Ang hirap na our means of communication before is letter writing. Iba na ang story yan sa aming love story. Letter writing. Wala pa kaming email, walang Facebook. Name it. Totally. Is letter writing. Yun pa. So that's why this technology that we have, that's one of the biggest challenges that we have. But we're able to overcome it.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah. So, talagang, pag-enter namin, parang, sa totoo lang ako hindi ko inisip na magiging mahirap yung technology. Kasi marunong na ako mag-computer. Kasi sa work, computerized yung charting namin. So I know. But I know there's our system sa hospital. Pero with regards to this social media natin na sasabihin, attraction marketing, mag-post ka lang. Sabi ko, sige, mag-post lang pala eh. Pero magpo-post lang, isang picture, tsaka kung ano mo, caption, yun lang naman eh. Sabi ko, but there are more pa pala. So, we are not really tech-savvy. Meron pa nga, I asked my daughter or one of my students before na, I like how you did that. Yung pala, ang tawag doon, reel. Malay ko ba na reel pala ang tawag doon? Hindi ko naman alam. Sabi ko, how did you do that na mag-iba-iba yung transition na ibang picture na naman. Sabi ko, ito lang ma'am, ganito. Nag-usap pa kami talaga telepono. Tinuruan niya ako through phone call, no? So, I tried it. Sabi ko, hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko pala kaya to. Sabi ko, I tried it, pero hindi. But in here, pagpasok natin dito, kailangan, when you follow the training step by step, you will know how to do it maski hindi ka tech-savvy. Basta follow mo lang and be open on that learning. You will learn it. So, sabi ko nga sa iyo, post lang, okay. Picture post, okay. Ang reel, sabi ko, nag-ano pala ng reel? Hindi nga ako marunong, pero natuto ko because of the training. I was open. Parang naging challenge sa akin. Kasi sabi ko nga, Med, ikaw ang sa front line. Ako dito sa background. Background lang ako ha. Ako mag-ano natin ng mga post natin. And that's where I learned. Nabansagan pa ako doon sa team namin ng ano ito? Canva Queen. Canva Queen. Ano ba yung Canva Queen? Kasi pag meron ako na start na I have to finish it. Nagagalit sa akin kasi madaling araw na hindi pa ako natatapos. Ganyan kahina sa technology, si Elizabeth. Ganyan kahina ako. Because I have to perfect, I have to know it, how they did it,
Yeah,
So
yeah,
I practice. So practice, and then you will know how to do it.
yes, yes, yeah.
So
So,
ngayon, maski sabihin natin may AI,
mm,
dali na lang kasi natuto na ako mag-practice.
yes. Hey,
Yeah,
there you go.
as long as you're
Naka-adapt.
open, you are diligent, you're consistent. Those
Yes.
challenges, no, we have those challenges. Anytime, marami tayo, even your regular work, whatever you're doing,
Yeah.
we have those challenges. Now, we're talking about this technology. But those challenges, you remember, if you take it, you learn on this challenge. And these
Yes.
challenges, if you have a positive mindset, that will fuel your journey towards success.
Tsaka
Yung gamitin mo yun. Huwag mo
Pampa-sharpen,
yun.
pampa-sharpen ng mind namin. Kasi
Yes,
bago,
yes, yeah.
out of our profession, bagong learning,
Yep.
so
Yeah.
parang na-challenge kami.
Yes,
Na-challenge
yes, yeah.
kami. Yun.
Kung kaya ni tita na bata sa amin, mas kaya namin, di ba?
Oo.
Love it,
Kaya
love
ni
it.
Coach, si Coach na
Hindi rin daw nagsabi, pero
nako.
kaya namin. So,
Kaya, yeah. See,
hindi kami papatalo sa mga
Yeah,
sa mga bata pa.
generation. Kailangan i-prove natin, baby
we can
boomer,
resonate
can adapt.
what Ed because this is why regardless of who you are,
Hindi sa
from all walks of
nagpapayabangan.
life,
Mhm.
ang age here is not the issue. Age
Yes.
is not matter here.
Yeah.
What matters is your mindset.
Mhm.
Exactly.
Matanda ka mo, hindi, wala yan. Because
Yeah.
learning
Sa open.
is everybody.
Mhm.
Diba?
It's a continuous process.
Alam na
Yes.
ninyo yan.
Yeah, yan ang sinasabi ko palagi. Lagi kong sinasabi, the key here or in anything you do in your life is you're open
Yes.
to you're open to learn. Because it's the same way anyway. Pagka nasa trabaho ka, if you are not going to go above and beyond your task, mapopromote ka ba? Hindi.
Mhm.
Di ba?
Yeah.
So the same way. So dito, lagi ko sinasabi yan, dito napapractice ang utak natin, sumalayo tayo sa dementia.
Tama ka. Tama. Sharpen ang ano kasi bago eh. You have to learn it. Alright?
Yes, yeah.
Dami natin masabi.
Tsaka exciting. Para sa akin, exciting ha. To learn
Yes.
technology. It's
So
exciting.
you're not doing the same thing over and over again. And then and the best part is meron tayong training. And
Yes.
meron tayong mapagtatanungan at any point, at any time of the day because we are global. So
Mhm.
yan ang dyan. Yeah. So that's our big advantage. Oh my goodness. Thank you. See, napapractice ka kuya, hindi ka na lang nag-scroll sa couch, di ba? Nag-aaral ka.
I was saying yes to her. Kasi kailangan talaga yun. Kailangan. You know.
Mhm.
Mahirap
Ayan.
talaga yung nag-retire ka na, you're not doing anything. That's the
Yes.
worst thing, na wala kang ginagawa.
Worst thing that can happen.
Mention this business that we are, the training and all this technology is a good brain supplement. Because I don't
Yes.
want my brain to retire
Before
before
you.
my body.
Yes, exactly. I love it. Okay, marami tayong comment again. Oh, there's I think this is Yang. Hello, classmates.
Ay, kayo naman yung saying, naku, yan pa. Welcome. Ano yan? Past week ko, retire, bago nag-retire yan.
Oo nga. Oh, ayan. Oh, watching from Toronto. Ayan. And who is Elvera? Okay, good morning. Yes. Thank you mga kapatid. Maraming salamat. And oh my goodness, ang sarap ng ating chikahan dito. Pero hindi pa tayo hindi pa tayo tapos. Oh, parang na-touch na nyo na itong yung next question ko. Na-touch nyo na ng konti ito. How does this business add value to your retirement? Ayan.
Okay, talking about us. Okay, this business adds, of course, real meaning. I would say real meaning and direction to our retirement by turning what could have been slowing season. They say that this is the slowdown. We have to slow down into a season of growth and
Yes.
purpose. Hindi yung mag-slow down ka, pero we turn it to this kind of purpose, growth and purpose. Instead of just doing nothing, as I said, by sitting on my couch every day, watching my TV program, scrolling my cell phone, watching the TV show, or multitasking. And no plans for the day, ganyan talaga yung wala kang ginagawa.
Yeah,
Gusto
yeah,
mo walang direction. So we now have something that keeps physically and mentally active and at the same time learning. Yun ang
Yes.
importante. So
Yeah.
it gives us a reason to continue developing new skills, especially with the technology I mentioned,
Yeah, yeah.
media, which keep us mentally engaged and motivated. So
Mhm.
it also add value in helping us pursue our, I would say, the deeper goals. Pinaka-ano natin, like traveling, supporting
Yeah.
our family, our wives, spread our family back home, and of course, contributing in a little way the rebuilding of our church back home because we
Mhm.
pray for it, and of course,
Mhm.
give us this blessing. So,
Mhm.
retirement no longer feels like stopping.
Mhm.
Yeah. But because of this value, it add more transitioning into a new chapter where we can still be useful and impactful. And most importantly, I would say it gives us the community and purpose.
Yes.
Sa ating business, we have this community, We don't feel isolated. Yun ang napakasarap
Yes.
na
Mm-mm.
ating makuha dito. We feel connected, just like you. Without this business, how I will be connected to you, Tita? I didn't know that paisano pala tayo.
Yes, exactly.
We live in the same island. We live in the same province.
Yeah.
North ka lang, south ako. Pero iba-iba ang ating dialect.
Yes.
But we can connect. We are one in this business. Talaga napakasarap. Wala
Yes.
ito, di tayo magkakilala.
Mhm.
But we feel that isolated with still contributing and still growing together in the new season of life. Ang dami
Yeah.
namin mga kaibigan ngayon, kaya I'm very thankful of this. Kanina, kaibigan ko sa church, yung aming mga kalibel doon sa simbahan, in our same ministry, and we're talking the same language. Hey, kumusta yung maintenance mo? Kumusta yung pakiramdam mo? Ano yung doctor's appointment mo? Yan ang mga language namin, di ba?
Yes.
Tawa sa inyo.
Pero kayo, like, excited ako kasi meron
Pero
ako.
ngayon, sabi, business, tita, yan, ano yung mga ginagawa ninyo? There's a lot of fun ba? Kasi we are now, ang community namin, hindi yung sa aming kalebelan. Young and old, from all walks of life, and it's global. Imagine that.
Yeah.
More than half of my friends here, I don't know them. We only see each other. Ikaw, hindi pati nakita personal eh.
Malapit na.
Lapit na.
See, that's
Yeah,
mga value na I will treasure in this business.
Yes. Yeah.
Ikaw, sige.
Agree.
Ano yun?
So, yes.
Ano nga question?
Value daw, what is this value?
Okay,
How does
so
business
value,
add?
how does this add value to your retirement? It add values kasi nakita talaga namin kung we still have purpose in our retirement. Meron pa rin pala kaming purpose. Kumbaga, meron pa rin kaming hindi yun na-stop na porque nag-stop na kami ng nursing, nag-stop na siya sa engineering profession. Kumbaga, yung sinasabi natin, meron pa pala kaming makukontribute
Yes.
sa society. Hindi pa rin kami, kumbaga, papasanin. We can still, tayo mga retirees, kami, or ang iba, na pag retired ka na, sometimes iniisip natin na we will be dependent on our children. Diba? And then, but for us, we don't want to be dependent on our children. Kung minsan iniisip namin na, I don't want to be in the nursing home, lalo na kung nandito ka sa abroad.
Oh my God, yes.
I don't want to be like that my kids will just throw us to a nursing home or a assisted living or what. We still want to be independent even we are already retired. So, itong business na to, it gives us value. Isipin namin na, meron pa pala kaming purpose. We can still do something even beyond our profession.
Yes, exactly.
Bago na to, and this is like a new chapter talaga. Kasi technology, hindi namin napag-aralan yan nung talaga. As we have mentioned earlier. And
Yes.
it's way beyond kung anong profession namin. Hindi naman ako mag-cure ng mga pasyente o hindi naman ako mag-health teaching sa mga pasyente. Pero I can still do some inspiration, educate in other aspect of me.
Yes, exactly.
Hindi mo akalain kaming retirees, pwede palang magturo pa rin ng technology ang mga retirees na ari. Aray. Aray, ala. So,
Yeah.
parang you feel na you still have value. Di ba? You still
That's
have
true. Yeah.
purpose. So,
Yeah.
we're just continuing what probably God has given us. Oy, tapos na kayo sa inyong profession. Ito naman ang gawin ninyo.
Yeah, you
Continue
can
to
still do
educate,
more.
continue to inspire in some other way.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
we cannot do it without His help, without His inspiration. So everything is going back to Him.
Yes,
To give
exactly.
Him glory and
That's
what He has given us.
That's
Diba?
why, as mentioned, that we are now in a retirement stage, the youth chapter. Now, in a retirement stage, there are three. I mentioned ko lang ito. This is what I learned.
Yeah.
The first, when you retire, like Yeng, when you retire, you are now on we call it go years stage of your retirement. Lakas ka pa, simpre, go pa yan. So that's your stage now. So you have to take advantage of that to keep yourself busy, have learning, and most especially, have physically
Physically
Yeah.
fit.
fit ka. Kaya nga, ako, tapos ito ngayon, magbabike ako. But anyway, part of yourself. Kailangan talaga yan because you are in a go years. Now, the second stage, slow years mo.
Okay.
Slow go years mo na. Okay. Siyempre, marami ka ng mga, of course, the maintenance is there, pero talagang hindi naman kayo sumasakit na yung tuhod mo. So, kumbaga,
Kasuhan mo.
booking na lang, hindi na yung nagbabahay ka na. So, you're slow. You're slow talaga. Slow go years na. Mahirap na, no? Then, do not wait for the third one. No go years.
Oh my God. Yes.
We don't want to wait
The
that.
third one.
That's the reality. So we don't want to wait that. So while we're still active, while still in the first stage, take advantage.
Yeah.
You can do anything on that as long as na you're healthy. And one
Yes.
of it, mentioned by Beth, you have to be inspiration, makatulong ka. One way of paying back for us, mag-volunteer ka in your community, in the church, whatever ministry you have, volunteer ka doon. Diba?
Yes, exactly.
So,
Yeah.
this business is one way also of doing it. You learn, at the same time, you earn.
And
Yeah.
what you learn, you also
You
share.
Yes, that is one thing that I really love because here,
Hindi na tayo mag-debate niyan.
that's
the
what
reality.
Haba na.
yeah. Yeah, because whatever we learn, we can share it to other people. It doesn't matter for us here talaga dito sa community natin it doesn't matter if we're financially connected or what, nothing. It's like we help each other no matter what, wherever. Like we don't ask, whose group are you? Who's we
Yeah.
don't. Yeah, we just help. And
Yes.
that is talagang true na talagang dito mo malalaman na yes, meron pa pala akong pwedeng gawin. Meron pa pala akong pwedeng ma-share. Meron pa pala akong talent na nakatago.
Yan, yan.
Yeah.
Huwag mo itatago yung talent mo.
Kung wala yan, you think you're 6 feet under the ground na.
Yeah. Kasi binigyan tayo ng talent. We are nothing. Binigyan tayo ng talent, so you have to share it. Yes. Yeah, ganyan. Oh my
How
goodness.
your wife? Sige.
Ang galing, ang galing. Thank you.
Ito mga paisano magka-skita talaga.
Ayan, marami tayo.
Talaga aking. Sige, Ted, sorry. Go ahead.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Ang sarap ng see, I'm glad I'm oh my God, it's really a pleasure to have you guys. So marami tayong that's still she's yung correct class. I don't know which one was that. yung sa retirement ng kuya, sabi niya, God gave you a purpose. Yes, Sis Emmy. Agree. And here's another one. Yes, on my go-go years.
Okay. Nakonsinsa siya.
Next is go-go lang and then go.
Oh,
no.
yeah, go.
That's awesome. Thank you guys. Oh my God, ang sarap ng ating usapan. But we have our last, where is our last question? Ready? Ready for the last one, Kuya, Ate?
Sige.
Yes.
Sige na. Ready na tayo. Sige na.
Okay, ito na yung last one natin. Okay. Out of all the benefits that we have in our business, which one is your favorite? Because we have time.
Para
Of course, ang financial kasi money matters. Ako
Ang bilis-
tagahawak ng money, ha? Gusto ko yun.
Ang Kuya, ang bilis ng taga-count ng pera mo.
Gusto ko yun.
siya kasi aking finance officer eh.
Yes,
Taga-bilang pera.
ayan.
Ako, taga-pirma lang, di ba? Yan ang CEO. Okay.
Pero,
Sige, ako muna magsagot sa kanila.
pero iba na. Sige na.
Okay. This business gives us a lot of benefits. Of course, number one, which all of us agree, di ba? Itong nanonood yan, will
Kaya tayo
agree.
naging
That's
negosyo
the financial benefit that this business gave us because of our wives. Yun, number one din natin yan. No?
Yeah.
But later, no, when we had this business, I found out that this business is not about the financial aspect. It's not about the income. It's not about the envelope na I signed. There's something more than that I love. And I call it intangible benefits. And I love it. I consider it my favorite to answer your question. It's about this, the flexibility, I would say, the continuous learning in general,
Yeah.
and the nature of this business itself, the nature mismo na nakakaiba sa ibang business. I've been
Yes.
in a traditional business, name it. Katapusan namin na business, yung vending machine.
Yeah? Nag-business kayo na gano'n?
Insurances, whatever. Andun kami, mga semi-online business pa noon. Nagdi-demo kami. Oh, my goodness. But this one is very unique, that the business that we have now. And I really love this. Then as retirees, we can work at our own pace. One of the benefits of this business, no? At our own time, without pressure. Even when we went to the Philippines, sa airlines, meron akong Wi-Fi. That's my office. I was able to communicate. Flexible. And we can still enjoy the quiet moments that we have. Early in the morning, we can do also whatever yung mga usual namin. We spend time walking with our dog, me and my wife, go to the park, whatever. We're still being productive also. Even though we are not techy, I would say, discuss that. But we are enjoying the process of learning something new together as a couple. And it keeps our mind active and gives us the sense of purpose every day. Ang daming mga benefits dito.
Super.
Intangible benefits na I would say na makita mo sa business ito.
Sa akin naman, as a couple, mas
So, iba yan.
work na kami together.
Yes.
Kasi ako, being a nurse, kuminsan, nung una, night shift ako, ito, day shift siya ng katrabaho. So, magkikita lang kami, konting oras, pag
Hi-bye lang.
oo, yung dumating na siya sa trabaho, magluluto na siya, ako tulog pa, gigising, kakain, kasi night shift ako, aalis na. So parang konti lang yon. And now here, because this is digital business, we do it as a couple. So that's one benefit. Although mas kinag-aaway pa rin kami. We do it together. Normal lang yan.
That is part of it, right?
Part of it. So aside from all
Nag-away
the
kami sa
benefits,
business.
benefits na sinabi na niya, yun. And then we can spend more time with our family. Malimit na rin yung date namin. On the spot na lang. Punta tayo doon. Sige, ready.
Punta tayo sa
Kasi
Canada.
we have all the time.
Yes.
Kumbaga, may time freedom na kami sasabihin. Yun. So,
Yes. Yeah.
so yun.
Just
Flexible na yung time.
in addition to what she said, the intangible benefits of this business, we really enjoy working this as a couple. We imagine ourselves we are in a corporate world. But you imagine how you claim whatever in your mind. We are in a corporate world. So of course I am the CEO, right? Ganyan
Yeah.
talaga yan. Then, she's my manager, the president of the board. So, I'm CEO. So, each one of us has different function. You know, CEO. CEO, taga-pirma lang yan, di ba? Pirma, kape-kape lang, inom-inom lang ng tubig, and
Yeah.
then sabihin sa manager, hey, everything okay? Ayan. The CEO takes responsible of everything. Okay?
COO, CFO.
Pero,
Oo, yes.
Canadian pa rin.
Yes. Hindi ka talaga maiba diyan. Yan talaga ang ano mo, yan ang tatak mo, Canadian ka.
Inatay pa.
And then,
Haba na story natin. Talaga really, it's very, very meaningful, this piece really. A lot of fun. You enjoy it.
Just
It's
enjoy.
not about the financial side. Okay.
yes.
Because
Yes.
that
agree.
financial side will follow.
Pero mag-i-enjoy ka muna, you enjoy learning, you enjoy connecting with people, you enjoy like na talagang mai-enjoy mo din for me kasi talagang ano din, parang nai-enjoy ko na yung learning ko is free. You're like, you don't even have like how many like how many of us will pay a lot of money so we can just learn something new. Pero sa atin libre yan dito. Diba? All we have to do is make time. All we have to do is be open kasi naandyan yan. Ang dami nating resources.
Yes.
Super ang ating resources. So, nasa sa atin na talaga yun. So, yes. So, kung kayo ay nag-i-enjoy na mag-learn, oh my God, this is perfect. And yeah, so talagang ang sarap ng ating kwentuhan. Thank you.
Overtime ka na.
Ang sarap talaga ng ano natin. But anyhow, so that was all my questions. Ang dami ko pang pwedeng itanong, pero oh my God, hindi natin ang isang araw. But anyhow, yes. Yeah, last word po, Kuya Med and Ate Beth. Last word. Ano yung maiiwan nyo na talagang pwedeng ma-inspire ang mga tao na nag-watch sa atin and din yung mga tao na mga naghahanap ng side hustle na hesitant tungkol sa ating business. So ano yung maipapayo nyo?
Okay, first of all, I want to thank all these listeners. Hindi ko lang ma-mention sa inyo ang lahat. And also for those who are watching for the replay, I hope na makikita ninyo kami. So, if this conversation that we have, sharing that we have resonate with you, please share it to your family or to your friends. My message is very simple, don't let fear stop you from exploring something that could change your life. Like, do not be afraid. You don't need to know everything on this business to start. What you need is this. Just be open-minded.
Yes.
Willingness to learn. Be patient, consistency, and discipline. Yun lang talaga ang kailangan mo dito. Everything is there. Okay? Don't compare kasi ang iba pag nag-join they can compare immediately. Parang ingita lang mo naman sa ating mga ganyan ating mga personality. Don't compare your chapter 1, you're still in chapter or beginner to someone who's already in chapter 20. No, do not compare that. Success doesn't happen overnight. Paghirapan mo ito, But small daily steps create big result. Kaya yung mentality mo bukas mayaman ka na, this business is not for you. Kung hindi ka coachable, consistent, this business is not for you. Okay? So, have faith. The most important is pray for it and believe in God's will. No? Because giving you the opinions to achieve whatever dreams that you believe in yourself. Believe it. Because, you know what? Sometimes the life you've been praying for, if you keep on praying, starts with one simple yes. That's what you see. And for those retirees and all people who are about to retire, and for those a lot of fin setters, I always am skeptical. I say this before, and I will say it again. Don't be afraid to make a change. but be afraid if you stay the same.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Ate Beth.
Meron pa ba? Sabi mo na lahat eh.
I'm just Canadian.
I think you just have like especially if you are already in your golden years, make sure na life is uncertain.
Mhm.
There could be challenges that could happen. So
Mhm.
make sure na every day
bit of legacy.
you did it with purpose. You
Mhm.
did it with willingness, with
Mhm.
belief in God, and also believe in yourself. Kasi
Exactly.
believe ka nga kay God, but you don't believe yourself,
Wala.
parang contradiction. So,
Yes.
yun lang.
Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God. That's amazing. Yeah. So I appreciate you again. Maraming salamat. And yeah, yun lang din ang masasabi ko. Talagang hindi nyo alam kung anong naghihintay sa inyo. The only person lang talaga na makapag-stop sa iyo is you yourself. Because napakadaming dyan, madaming oportunidad. So, yan, agree sa sinasabi ni Kuya din na like, talagang kung hindi mo susubukan is walang iba na magi-stop talaga sa iyo kung hindi ikaw lang. The rest na talagang iti-take mo ay yung hindi ka mag-take ng risk. Yun lang talaga yun. Yeah. So maraming salamat again. I hope we inspired you guys, and I hope we have given you value dito sa aming conversation today. Napakasarap ng aming tawanan. See how fun it is? Yeah. So, and again, I thank you Kuya Med and Ate Beth, and thank you sa ating mga viewers sa manunod ng replay. And yeah, so I will touch base with you again next week. I don't know kung sino ang aking, hindi ko pa alam kung sino ang aking guest, but I am sure I have one. Thank you so much everyone. Maraming salamat. And we'll see you again next time. God bless everyone. Take care.
Yes. Bye.